Good day, we are Group 4, and I am Jolife R. Caceres, together with my group members.
I am Dariel M. Dabalos.
Rose D. Montañez.
and Sarah Visinama.
We are here to present our 60% game development. Our game will be presented by Sinahon Syra.
So, this is our main menu. We have play the game, settings, and exit. When you go to settings, you will see the music volume. You can lower the volume. If the music is too loud, you can also adjust it depending on what you like. In the settings, you can turn on full screen mode. You can make screen bigger or smaller. This helps the user feel more comfortable while using the game. And play the game. Click the play the game, and we have monologue. The story is about a character who was inspired by their father, a cave explorer. When the character was young, they watched their father explore caves and prepare for adventures. Because of this, the characters dream of become an explorer too. Their father taught them important skills like surviving underground and exploring safely in the dark. This inspires the character to follow in their father's footsteps and start their own adventure.
This is the character selection screen where they simply click between the female or male button to choose their hero. Once a character is picked, the game saves that choice and moves to the level selection screen. Here, only level 1 is open at the start, while all other levels are locked and cannot be played yet. If the player tries to click a lock level, a message will appear saying, "Lock level, finish the previous level first," to show them that they must complete the stages in order.
So this is the introduction to level 1. So in this level, we made it a little bit simpler and playable so that our players will be familiarized with the concept of our game. So in level 1, as you can see in our design, our character has an oxygen and a flashlight level where it decreases as time goes on. If the player has less amount of oxygen and battery level for their flashlight, the light source of the player will slowly fade, and the character of the player will die and he will respawn from the start. The player of the game needs to find the key that leads to a treasure chest for them to be able to refill their oxygen bar and battery bar so that they can still continue to play the game. That is, if they can find the exit way of the cave. While in game, they need to be careful from the lava and the bombs scattered around the map because it can deal damage to their oxygen and battery level. In level 2, we are now introduced to a medium difficulty level where now the player needs to find a key not only for the treasure chest that would refill their oxygen and battery level, but they also has to find the key for the cave exit for them to be able to escape the cave and proceed to level 3. In level 2, we adjusted we adjusted the damage level of lava and bomb, so we made it a little bit harder for players to find their way out of the cave. Now, continuing to level 3, in our level 3, it's a little bit harder from the former level. In this level, we made two chests, so they need two keys because we made an upgrade on our obstacles. We made the lava and the bombs deal an increasing amount of damage if ever the player steps on them. The player needs to be careful about their choices and their ways through the cave because it can cost them their character's life. They still need to find a key for their way out of the game, for them to continue to level 4. In addition, in additional to our UI, we added a timer where it sets off as the game started or as the player started playing the game. This will then further progress from our development as leaderboards so that players can track how long they've played the game. We also added a pause button. These buttons then proceeds us to two more buttons, which is a resume button where players can continue playing, and a quit button where it will then transport us back to the main menu page.